always like opening this up. Looks pretty steamy. And you can see it's like pulled pork tender. Good morning. Okay, let's get this flipped over and start building us a sandwich. Gonna use a little Thousand Island dressing. While the cheese is melting and the bread is toasting, we're gonna go ahead and warm up some of our meat. That's been on for about 30 seconds. We're gonna go ahead and put it on our cheesy side. Looking toasty. All right, that's the topper. That's perfect. Bread is crispy, the cheese is melty, the meat is steamy, and everything is perfect. This is a great homemade Rueben. All started in my Instant Pot.